Welcome back to 3.5 Minutes Conversational Grammar. In this episode, we're checking in at a hotel, learning to use there is, there are to describe hotel features, and the simple future to make on-the-spot decisions. When staying at a hotel, you typically make a reservation and choose your preferred room, single, double, or family. Most rooms have an ensuite bathroom and a window with either a street or garden view. You might also find amenities like a minibar, hairdryer, toiletries, bathrobes, and sometimes breakfast included in the price.
Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Green. Annabelle Green?
Of course. Let me check reservations. That's right. Annabelle Green. A double room with bathroom and street view.
Is there a room with a view to the garden?
No, I'm sorry. I'm afraid there aren't any double rooms with a garden view available. There is only a single room with a garden view on the first floor.
That's lovely. I'll take that.
There is and there are help you describe things accurately, expressing that something exists, or we can find it in various places. We use there is to talk about one thing and there are to describe many. To form questions and negatives with them, we follow the pattern of the verb to be, placing is or are before there, with the thing or things we want to describe following. In the negative form, we simply add isn't or aren't after there. For decisions made in the moment of speaking, we use the simple future tense with will plus the main verb, following the subject. Just like the modal verbs we talked about in the previous episode, the simple future forms questions by flipping the affirmative form. For negatives, we add not to will, forming the short form won't.
You will love the garden view in this room.
Let's practice. Repeat. There isn't a garden view in this room. There are some beautiful flowers in the painting. Is there a cocktail bar in the hotel? Good, I'll take that. In today's 3.5 minutes, you've learned how to use there is and there are to describe things found in various places, as well as the simple future to make on-the-spot decisions and express personal opinions. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more short and fun English learning.